full-time employee of Friends for Nature, and the future events will be coordinating, organizing everything. I think Anand will be taking the briefing thing next time onwards, and I hope everyone would have now some do's and don'ts are too late to be told. Though we are writing every time on Facebook, but still some people are coming in the sleepers and insect bites or reptile or leeches or other thing. Plus your grip is not good, you may slip down. Okay, so please in future events you come with your shoes with a good grip. They should be especially there in the forest, and especially any non-biodegradable chocolate wrappers, other things if you are carrying, then keep a count of it so that you don't lose anything. When you are coming back, you take it back to civilization. So again, quoting Suhithar Baus, that don't leave anything in the jungle except your footprints. So you should always come with your raincoat also. Look forward to have many more trekking sessions with you, but I do not know, a lot of transfer and posting are coming. If I'm not able to join you for the next trek, in that situation it may be our last trek with you as a collector at least. Though of course
So one stick somebody was carrying, the cat snake, they are not allowed to do that. Okay. So please keep all these things in mind. Please don't put plastic as I've already told. So don't take anything from forest. Okay.
Submitted is 300. Okay. That can be interesting, and also we request all of you to become members of
சார் நான் வந்து பேசுகிறேன். அப்புறம் வெளியில் வந்து ட்ரெக்கிங்கில் வந்து பேச முடியல.
Mas me diz como vai dar. background.